Good evening. Welcome back to our channel, Mom and Son Explorer. Today, guys, I'm preparing for our dinner for tonight. Uh, I'm, I'm preparing already mashed potato and steamed the broccoli. And we have only a simple dish today. We have sausage. Since we are only three, also, of course, with our ayan. Mashed potato. Belgian food is very simple and very easy to prepare. Steam. Steam mo lang yan. And very good. So, we'll later, going to the jelly. Just like that. Actually, here, since I'm here in Belgium, our food, if for example, if our food today is Belgian food and then tomorrow is Philippine food, so alternate Filipino and Belgian food. But no problem for me because my husband also is eating Filipino food. Whatever I prefer, he will do. It's not hard for me here. All of us can whatever we have here. Whatever so it's healthy. So we have sausage. I'm preparing sausage. One guys. My husband don't want to eat too much meat. One healthy food. And we have broccoli. We have mashed potato. Simple as that, diba? Mas mabilis i-prepare yung food na. Lang, split ka lang ng gulay. Kahit ka lang ng meat. Ano lang. Ayan. Stevie now is eating. Because this is the plate. Stevie is thirsty. How's your dinner? Is liquor is yummy or not? What's your food? Breakfast food? Tomorrow is Filipino. Enjoy your meal, Anna. What? Tell me. What do you like in Filipino food?
Lumpia.
What is your favorite Filipino food? Crunchy fish, mixed fish, milk fish. Okay, yung ano. Tawag niyan crunchy fish. Yung marinated na anong bangus. Sir. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to eat. Ayaw ka dito. Broccoli. Uy, doon. Talk with your mom. Mm. Your mom's food. Kasi bawal siyang magsalita. Pag